about your love.
Yeah,
Thinking about your love.
Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I share with you how to revive your glued in quick weave wig. Guys, I have had this unit for about 4 years, and this time when I washed it, a couple of pieces fell out. So in this video, I will be sharing with you and teaching you how you can revive your quick weave when the glue comes out. Okay? Stay tuned.
God bless you. I love you guys. Please keep watching my video. Please subscribe and please share and join the Jolt world.
You will need a mannequin head, hair glue, aka bonding glue, hair clips.
You have your thread and a needle. Make sure that any hair that falls out of you washing this unit, you save it, okay? All right, let's get into the video. All right, I find loose hair right here. Let's take the T-pin out of the way. Place it somewhere else. Glue the hair. Glue on the hair. Press it down. Spritz it. Now this is the point where I'm going to start tacking everything down. I'm just going to go over here through the hair. I'm gonna go around and look again, see if I find anything that is loose. And even the ones that are not loose, I'll go ahead and sew it down so I don't lose those.
The whole idea here is that you keep pulling through the hair to find any loose strands, glue them and spritz it in place. And if you prefer, you can sew the end of each strand, each hair or weft. Sew the ends to enforce it, make sure that the hair doesn't fall out as easily the next time you wash it. So that's what I'm doing. But ideally, quick weave will last a while. Naturally, because it's the glue, it will get loose eventually. So you can tack the ends like I just did. But if you don't care, just glue them in and spritz, and it will stay for another couple of years. Like I told you before, I've had this unit for about 4 years, and this is the first time I'm having to reinforce it.
this is how you can revive your wig, quick weave wig, okay?